Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of EWA app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about EWA app and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about EWA app. Here if you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.